Segment is sponsored by Burt Brothers Tire Service. Winter is just around the corner. Are you and your car ready for the cold months ahead? Brent and Trent are here from Burt Brothers Tire Service to help us make sure our cars can handle the winter. Thank you so much for being here, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Great to see you both. Okay, Brent, for those in our audience who may not be familiar, can you share a bit of the background of Burt Brothers Tire Service?
Absolutely. So Burt Brothers has been serving the Utah community for 33 years.
Wow.
Founded in 1991, we are still growing. We have expanded 5 and added 5 new stores just this year alone, and we are adding 1 more for a total of 27 by the end of this year.
Wow.
So we're very proud to be serving the community and doing what we do best.
Congrats. That's just so awesome. That's really, really cool, you guys. Now, Trent, with winter weather just around the corner, I promise it'll be here in a little bit. What should drivers be thinking? How do we get prepared?
Well, just doing our regular checks is always the best thing we need to do. But having a professional check out your tires, making sure those are ready to go, checking out those brakes, checking your alignment, make sure your tires are good to go to last through the entire season, and then fluids as well, and then checking our batteries, making sure our batteries are good to go. We can start our cars in the morning, go to our jobs, or take our kids to school. All of that needs to be checked out.
All the important things.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, and speaking of tires, how do you know if your tires are in good shape for winter weather? Is it easy to see visually?
Yeah, you can look at your tire. There's some wear indicators on the tires that'll tell you if they're good or bad. But what I like to do, and I brought a penny with me.
Look
I
at
like
that.
to do a penny test.
Okay.
And if you can see Abe's head on the top of here, those tires need to be replaced.
That's a really great tip. So you just put it right in there in
the tread grooves and see Abe's head. It's time for some tires for sure.
Okay, that's amazing. Is there anything else you wanted to add to that, Brent?
Absolutely. And if you, we're always available to take your vehicle to our stores to have the tires checked. But also, there's other things you probably want to look for during this time of year. Your fluids. That's a big thing that comes up. Your oil, your windshield wiper fluid, and even your washer fluid. You want to have these things checked.
And those are all free. We do all of those services for inspections, checking your batteries, your tires, your alignment. It's all free. You might as well come down and let us take care of it.
That's so awesome. Yeah, trust the professionals. Okay, and Trent, is there anything else that we should prepare for when it comes to driving in winter weather?
Yeah, absolutely. A lot of us are big skiers, snowboarders, so UDOT has come out with this spectacular program, the Cottonwood Sticker Program, where you can visit our locations, we inspect your tires, you can sign up for the Cottonwood stickers online. We give you this beautiful, wonderful sticker that goes right on your windshield.
Oh, that's cool.
Tells you you're certified to go up the canyons without having problems.
Yeah, and then you're just set. You don't have to worry about anything.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about anything at all. You're dialed.
Okay, good tips. Okay, where can we go for more information, Brent?
Well, you can go to burtbrothers.com for more information and let us help you prep for winter.
Okay, trust these guys. They're amazing. They're so kind and friendly, and they know what they're doing. They're professionals, so leave it to them. Thanks, you guys. Great to see you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.